Unveiling the phrase, read up on something. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might seem simple at first glance, but holds a wealth of knowledge and application in the English language. We're talking about, read up on something. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also improve your comprehension and communication skills. So, let's get started. When we say we're going to read up on something, what we mean is that we intend to research or learn more about a particular subject by reading extensively about it. This phrase emphasizes the action of seeking out information through reading, with a purpose to gain a deeper understanding or knowledge of that subject. Understanding when and how to use read up on something is key to applying it correctly in real-life situations. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal contexts. You might read up on a historical event for your class, read up on a new technology for work, or even read up on a travel destination before going on vacation. The versatility of this phrase makes it a valuable addition to your linguistic toolkit. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase works in sentences. I need to read up on the French Revolution before my history exam next week. She's reading up on the latest digital marketing strategies to improve her business. Before we go to Japan, I want to read up on Japanese customs and etiquette. These examples illustrate the practical application of read up on something, and how it can be used in various scenarios to convey the action of seeking information through reading. To read up on something effectively, consider these tips. Choose credible sources. Ensure the information you're reading comes from reliable and authoritative sources. Take notes. Jot down important points to better retain what you've learned. Summarize what you read. In your own words, summarize the key information to solidify your understanding. Reading up on something is more than just a phrase. It's an action that propels us toward greater knowledge and understanding. Whether it's for academic purposes, professional development, or personal interest, knowing how to effectively read up on a subject is an invaluable skill in our quest for learning. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this phrase for you. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, every page you turn adds a new layer to your understanding of the world. Happy reading!